Welcome back. In this video, we're going to do create rules to automate delivery. Now, you need to have an email sent to you in order to do that. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to the upper right-hand corner and write down or copy and paste your email address right here, and we're going to email ourselves. Okay, so I'm going to just do this. I'm going to compose an email. I'm going to do Warner Josh 636 at Gmail. This is a test. Here is, I'll just do random stuff. Hit send. Okay. Now we get an email. So now what you're going to do, you click on that email, and we're going to click on more. Let's see, where is more? I believe that's here. Okay. Now we're going to click on filter messages like these. Okay. Now, so anytime it comes from WarnerJosh636 at gmail.com or another email that you don't want to receive or you want to filter, you're going to select that email and then do this following steps here. Okay. So what we're going to do, you can set a size, you can set attachments, don't include chats. Let's search. Okay. So let me go to inbox. I'm going to go there again and let's do this. So basically what this is doing is it's just filtering. You can create rules to automate delivery. So you can control what stuff you get and what stuff you don't get. And so like this is a test, and let's do greater than 5 megabytes. Has the words test, doesn't have this, has attachment, create filter. Okay, so now I created a filter. So okay, so I created the filter. We can star it, we can apply it to a label, we can forward it, we can delete it, never send it to spam, send canned response, always mark it as important, never mark it as important. What I want to do is I want to delete it. So I'm going to set up this filter so when it meets that criteria, I'm going to create it now. Once it meets this criteria, it's going to delete it. Okay, so let's go there, and that's how you set up a filter. So super straightforward, super simple, super cool. All right? So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.